what day of the week it is.
Guess what day it is?
Say it.
Hump day?
No, gross, gosh. Dude. If anything, Monday's our hump day. Because we work Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Friday.
You work Fridays?
Mostly.
Okay. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Monday's like more in the middle. Maybe even Tuesday.
So.
Pet it. Good job. Hi, Lily. Lily. Hi. I'm petting one. It likes me. It likes me too much. Little Audrey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Jump!
Lily.
Hi. Hi, Cole. Hi, Cole. Hi. Can you say Dada? Lily. Lily. Hi. Hey. Can you say happy?
No.
Easter. I like to move it. I like to move it. What's that? Oh boy, Eleanor! Woo-hoo! Audrey! Eleanor, what'd you get? Wow! Pretty, what colors?
Blue.
Yes.
Yellow one. No.
Audrey, how many eggs did you get?
She got 3.
3? What? How'd you do that? You can't even grab things. How many? What? How'd you get so many? How'd you do that? Good job.
Scotty. Who's this for? Your vlog?
Yep.
What do you do when you find a toy that all kinds of children love to use all the time and you're adults?
But that occasionally blows up.
This doesn't blow up.
No, it does, mate. I've seen the videos.
I don't know.
Definitely blows up.
Anyway, the answer is you go and you play with it.
Oh, you're not gonna do it? Okay. I thought you were gonna do it.
We know that much. That's backwards. You're backwards on it. That's not okay. Because it's ready to go. It will stabilize you. Hold my hand. Ready. Hit it. Nice. We're dancing. We're dancing.
Why am I turning though? It's the only thing I'm trying to understand.
Okay, feet forward. Tilt your feet forward.
Yeah, feet forward.
I'm trying.
There you go. He got it.
Turn it.
Don't do that. Welcome to How to Hoverboard with Anthony K. Goodwin.
If you do what he's doing, it'll still be as hard as you think it is.
One of those is
I
gonna
don't
make
know
it.
what anything is happening.
Background. Seems pretty okay to me. You know, I'm gonna try and just, yeah.
Remember when we used to build Legos? They
That's
couldn't
backwards. Oh no. This guy's gone mad. Hey, it's better backwards.
Intro the countdown video.
Move.
Hang on, let me be over this way first.
It works better backwards.
Yeah, okay guys, here we are. Drive.
We're in a van. With candy. Jake. Oh my gosh. You might have to edit that out.
How close are we, James?
What? ETA
How close are we?
8:22.
20 minutes away.
20 minutes away. We've been on the road since 6:30. Chris is drinking his first nitro of the day.
Where? I had the The cocoa one?
Cocoa, what?
I don't think
remember.
there's cocoa
There's
nitro.
no cocoa nitro.
Oh, then I've never had nitro.
You probably had like a cold brew flavored with cocoa.
Yeah.
Is like nitro the foam stuff on top?
Nitro
not
is what
necessarily.
they mix the nitrogen gas in with the cold brew. And that's why when you first do it, you'll like see it like settling. It looks.
Oh, then yes, I've had. I think so. I don't know now. Now I'm scared.
Yes.
Ryan and I decided to sit outside
Here it is.
so we can go to the hotel early, right? Chris, we just wrapped up dinner. Wasn't it so good?
I love makunis.
We had makunis, we had some delicious sushi. Now we're headed back for the final night set. Well, I mean the first night session. Tomorrow's one.
Some of the best food ever.
Final session of the day. Who's speaking again?
Luis Palau.
Luis Palalu will be
The
speaking.
guy who's on Caleb.
He's on Caleb. I've never actually heard him do anything. But then Andrew Stanley is opening up in 3 minutes, and we are
4 minutes away.
4 minutes away. So I think by God's grace of time travel, we are going to be able to see Andrew Stanley. He was pretty funny. He opened up the last session. What was your favorite thing that he said, Chris?
Oh, he was calling Jake out because he's homeschooled.
Nice. It's true.
I am.
Chris, why are you sitting back there?
I don't know. Why are you sitting up there?
Because it's safer in the middle of the...